Hi sir, my name is LEONG QING YUN and the team number is 27755. And then now I'm going to present about my final exam assignment for the STIW2044, which is the mobile programming. So now I'll start my presentation now. As I already used the wireless debugging, so I will record my full screen for my presentation. So for the first, we try to restart it. We try to log in first. Since we have already successful login, and then we will go to the main page, which is the subject page of our application. And then for this, we can see for the tutor page, card page, and then for the card page, since we have since our database did not have any subject in the cards, which is for the card status is none, so our card will be the empty one. So for the favorite and then the profile. So now we try to add the subject into the card first. We have two types. To add the subject into the card. For the first one, that we can click on the shopping cart icon at here, and when we click the shopping cart icon at here, we will pop out a dialog to make a confirmation, which asks us, are you sure you want to add it into the cart? And then we just click on the yes button, and then it will pop out a success message. It shows that, and then we go to the cart page, and then it shows that the subject in the cart. So we see on the database at here, refresh first, and then we can see that we have a subject in the subject in our database, and then it shows the card status is none. So for the second types of to add it, we click on the subject, and then it will pop our subject details, and then we can just click the add to cart button, which is on the bottom of the screen. So we click it, and then it will pop our success, and then we go to the cart page, and then it will show at there. We refresh our database also. Okay, we can see we have the two subject. It will be none. It will be the status is none in the database. So we also can click on the floating button at here. We can see that the shopping cart icon at here. We have the two items, which is in our database. So we go to the cart page, and then since we have the total, which is the 430, and then we click on the pay button, and then it will pop out a message. Will be asked that are you sure you want to pay now? Okay, we click on the yes button, and then it will go to the payment page, and then this is the payment page of my application. So we can see the bill ID, which is the 7NZO-CQMU. So we click on the bill please, and then click on the pay button, and then processing, and then at here we click the successful payment. So it will go to the our receiver. It will prompt our receipt for us, and then it will have a message, which is the payment complete, and then return back to the application by pressing the back button on the app taskbar. So for the payment status at here, which is success. So we back to if we back to the card page, it will show that your card is empty. It is because at the database at here we refresh first. It is because that the subject that we pay, the subject that we already pay, it will be show the card status will be shown for the pay. So it will not be show again in the card page. So we can see at the bill please at here. We refresh it again, and then it will show that the payment ID at here, which is the 7JNO-CQMU at here. So we also will receive the email. We try to refresh it. We will receive the email at here. Okay, maybe it needs subtimes, and then we can see at the, so we can see at here, the bill please you also send the receipt to the email for the user. So this is the receipt that will be generated by the bill please. So this is also the profile page for our application, for my application. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.